Okay, now we're going to go over some parts of the skull, and remember that the skull is part of the axial skeletal system. Okay, here, running vertically, this is the glabella. Now, this is that little furrow in between where the eyebrows would be. That's the glabella. Now, you can also see the supraorbital foramen, or notch. Okay, so supra means above, orbital, eye, notch or foramen's a hole. So it literally means the little hole above the eye. So you have one right here and right here. All right, now we're going to go inside the skull. All right, so here is still part of the frontal bone, but this section in the middle is the ethmoid bone. Just this section. Below that is the sphenoid bone, which makes up almost like a little moth or butterfly type pattern. All right, if we go back to the ethmoid bone, we have two landmarks. This bar or rod looking structure is called the crista galli. Then the porous structure on both sides is called the cribiform plates. So you have the crista galli and the cribiform plates. So you can think about Krista is in her crib. All right, moving down to the sphenoid bone, we can see two small holes. There's one. There's one. There's the other. Those are the optic canals, and that's for the optic nerve. All right, below that, in this little groove right here, this is the Sella Turcica. All right, so the way to remember this is Sella is in the groove. So you have optic canal and Sella Turcica. Now if we keep moving down, we can see there's this ridge or shelf-like structure. There is a small hole on the inferior side, and here we can see another one. That is the internal acoustic meatus. And so this would be the inner ear hole for the nerve. If you look below, you can see a portion of that foramen magnum. You can also see the jugular foramen. Okay, that concludes this video.